Proper vehicle alignment is critical in ensuring it drives correctly down the road while maintaining normal tire wear. It is always recommended to check your alignment at least once a year or whenever you buy new tires. Our Hunter Engineering alignment machine allows us to service any domestic and European vehicle with ease. We strictly abide by all manufacturer guidelines and perform any required service using the latest technology. We take pride in spending the extra time with adjusting all suspension angles and necessary components. We perform all computer calibrations with each vehicle as required by the manufacturer. Our scan tools and diagnostic equipment is updated with the latest technology to ensure we can perform the service. Every vehicle is test driven and provided with our safety approval before you pick it up for a total peace of mind. We go the extra mile test driving every vehicle and providing our safety approval before you pick it up.